Hello, my name is Navine G. Dossos. I'm a painter based in Greece, and I'm here at IMMA in Dublin working on a new commission for the courtyard called Kind Words Never Die. The commission was specifically to look at a subject around climate and ecology, and I'm looking at the relationship between colours and emotions that are linked to climate change. In the period that we live in now, there's a lot of need to address feelings of anger and despair, but also to find joy and new relationships to nature. And that's something that I'm exploring in these paintings. I've been working on the cycle now for 3 weeks, and I'm in the last stages just before the opening, and I'm going to be using this opportunity to share the whole process with you today. So it's a series of 3 workshops, one every week on a Saturday. And in the workshop, what we do is in the morning we concentrate on picking 16 words from a lexicon that I've created of earth emotions or feelings that could be linked to how we might feel about climate and ecology. We then work to develop colours and mix colours that each individual person feels connected to those words. And then in the afternoon, we then use those colours and that colour palette to create a painting based on these kind of diagrams that I've chosen in my research, taken from climate and ecological science and data. So once the participants have finished, we end up with about 16 paintings a week. And what I do is I use those paintings and those colour palettes to plan out each wall of the courtyard. So the red wall for the first workshop, the green wall for the second workshop, and this, the final one is the blue wall. And I'll choose some of the paintings, and also every single participant is represented through the colours that I put around the doors and windows, and also are named that way. So in fact, they kind of become portraits of the participants somehow through the naming and connection of the person's feelings and colours. So for me, the work is not just the murals, it's actually all of the artworks as well, and the archive and the documentation. So, you know, all of those paintings made during the workshops are part of the work. And the nice thing is, in this case, the sample paper that I've used to create all the colours for these murals will become an addition through IMMA that will be available, and a way to be able to read the work in a way, but also to see, you know, how many, you know, dozens and dozens and dozens of individual shades developed by participants have become part of the work. Kind Words Can Never Die is going to be up in the courtyard for at least a year. So I really hope you'll get a chance to see it, not just in the summer, but also in the autumn and in the dark of the winter and the spring too, and see how it changes. I, for one, look forward to being able to see it over such a long period of time and how it gets enjoyed in a kind of public setting. Thanks very much.